Reverse engineering is an important part of manufacturing, and turning physical objects into CAD files is a challenge for part designers. Using FARO scan arms and a specially designed software package, this technology allows users to scan physical objects in a digital environment. One interesting use case could be the creation of a digital inventory of physical assets.
Design X is a purpose-built tool for taking 3D scans of various types and from various places and turning them into feature-based CAD. And the feature-based CAD parts is pretty important because that's the description of CAD models in the customer's downstream CAD package of choice. So what we specialize in is either directly connecting to 3D scanners or connecting via kind of a neutral file type or a native file type and processing that data into a usable starting point. And since we're a scan native software, we specialize in actually very large amounts of 3D scan data, relatively large amounts of 3D scan data. So we see the range of things from very small to very large buildings, down to screws and surgical devices. So then from there we have a set of tools to either automatically or semi-automatically extract intelligent features from that 3D scan data. And through that process we build our own feature tree inside Geomagic Design X. And at the end of the reverse engineering process, we have a very powerful tool called Live Transfer. And Live Transfer takes our feature description and our feature tree from Design X and actually reaches into our popular CAD softwares of choice. And via their software programming API, we rebuild our model inside the CAD software automatically. So what you end up doing is you get a really quick time to CAD. Or fastest path to CAD is what we always say that geometric design is. And then from there, once you get it in your CAD system, that's really where a lot of the work begins. So if you have a part or you have an idea that's based on a physical thing, Geomagic Design X is perfect for getting great 3D scans out of that 3D scanning process, processing that 3D scan data into feature-based CAD, and being the fastest possible way to get you into your CAD system where oftentimes a lot of the work begins. Behind us here we have the brand new FARO arm, which has the Prizm Laser Scanner on it. It's a color 3D scanner too. Another really worthwhile point to note is that meshes or 3D scan data can be surfaces, but also you can add extra color information on top of that. And in many cases reverse engineering can really make use of that color data because it might be a parting line or some interesting surface object that is not generally captured by geometry. Specifically for that scanner, we have a direct connection with FARO arms, and other 3D scanning devices, which allow us to simply just plug the device into the computer and then launch a connection from our software product to the 3D scanner, and then pull the arm down and just start scanning. Definitely it's a real-life use case where if you're a shop that has tools or molds of some sort, those are things that cost money to make, and sometimes you don't want to lose them, so you keep them around. And over a period of time, you actually can hold a large inventory of tools, and that actually just takes up physical space. So in some cases, you can actually just digitize those and recycle them or destroy them and only reproduce them on demand. Especially with additive manufacturing, it makes it very much easier for us to take those things from the digital world and bring them into physical.